Want a smart video doorbell without paying premium prices? This Orbitell wireless Wi-Fi video doorbell promises HD video, AI motion detection, two-way audio, and night vision for under $20. But is it actually worth buying? Let's find out. If you're looking for an affordable smart video doorbell that helps protect your home, today's review may save you both money and frustration. Today we're reviewing the Orbitell wireless Wi-Fi video doorbell camera with 1080p HD video, AI motion detection, two-way audio, night vision, and cloud storage support. Let's start with the biggest problem. Many homeowners want to know who's at the front door when they're away. Traditional doorbells can't show visitors, record activity, or send instant alerts. Premium smart doorbells solve this problem, but many cost over $100. Orbitell offers many of the same core features at a much lower price. At the time of this review, the price is around $18.99, although Amazon prices can change anytime. Here's what you get. You receive 1080p HD video, so faces and packages are easier to recognize. The AI motion detection sends alerts when movement is detected around your front door. The two-way audio lets you speak with delivery drivers or visitors directly from your smartphone. It also includes infrared night vision, making it useful after dark. The camera is IP65 weather-resistant, so it's designed for rain and outdoor conditions. One important thing to know is that it works with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi only. If your router uses only 5 GHz, you'll need to enable a 2.4 GHz network before setup. Now, let's talk about real customer feedback. Many buyers praise the easy installation, clear video quality, loud doorbell chime, and the simple mobile app. Several customers also mention that the value for the price is excellent compared with more expensive brands. But no product is perfect. Some users report occasional connection freezes or Wi-Fi stability issues, especially when the signal is weak. That's why placing the doorbell within a strong 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi range is important. So, who should buy this? If you want an affordable smart doorbell for your apartment, house, rental property, or small business, and you don't want to spend premium brand prices, this is a solid budget-friendly option. However, if you need advanced AI recognition, local storage, or professional security integrations, you may want to consider higher-end models. Overall, Orbitell delivers impressive features for its price. It isn't perfect, but for budget-conscious buyers, it offers excellent value and practical home security. If you'd like to check today's latest price or read more customer reviews, you'll find my purchase link in the description below. If this review helped you, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.